Greetings, 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 everyone. Once again, Akwaaba, back to my channel. This is your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your sister, your cousin, your niece, your aunt, your daughter, your granddaughter, and your friend. And all that is good. Akwaaba, welcome. Um, it's about 7 something a.m. this morning here in Ghana, West Africa, in the eastern region of Ghana, which is the same time all over Ghana. They never changes their time like the United States do. But anyway, I just woke up. And what did I wake up to? Them doing some progress on the family building project here. Yes, I wanted to bring you guys an update as it's being updated. Okay? So we about to go see them start the process of putting in the bathroom doors. So follow me, you guys. Come on, let's go see what they doing up here. Yeah, this is early morning here. 7 something a.m. Let's turn this camera around. All right. That's the sun right there. So let's go see what's happening. And my son up there, he about to come down the stairs. No, he not. He turned around. He made a about face. Okay, now here he comes. Oh, the grass is growing really fast because of the rainy season. Yeah. Hey, Grand Rising. I'm not going all the way in that unit. Wait till my son go back upstairs, then I'm gonna go. Hi. Oh, you're not going back upstairs. He's going into the house. Okay, well, I'm going upstairs since they up there working. But I'm going to stay out their way. Because I do not want to hinder the progress.
Yeah, good morning.
Hey, Macha. Grand Rising. So what's going on this morning?
Yeah, this is another complimentary for you.
You working on the doors?
Yes.
This is the update. So they just installed one of the bathroom doors. Okay, you all, that's the update. They're at the very beginning of installing the bathroom doors. And of course, starting with my unit. Got that serious face this morning.
Sorry?
Watch your step. You got that serious face this morning. That means your tunnel vision. You focus on nothing but business, getting things done.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Madasi pa.
So he's at the shop where we bought the doors.
Huh?
The shop that we bought the doors.
Yeah.
So he's at the shop.
Oh,
I'm just fixing for us so that we don't get any mistakes.
that's right. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. The coconuts is growing on that tree. Right on, right on. Okay, you guys. So that's the family building project update for now. And when they finish completing at least that one bathroom door, then I'll go back and update it how it looked. So they decided to go ahead on and install the bathroom doors before they start the tiling, because you see they had to knock out that wall to make it a perfect, well, I can't say perfect, but near perfect fit. Well, they didn't knock it out. They had to chisel out some of the wall, the bathroom wall for the door. Then they have to put it back, and then they would do the tiling. Yeah, so that's smart to do what they're doing, to do that first. Because imagine if they would have did the tiling before they did the installing of the doors, that means they had to mess up the tile, and all that. Just cost them money. Yeah, it's costing money to do that, to go backwards. So just do it right and keep going forward. Yes. So that's the family building project update, you guys. Akwaaba, thank you for joining in, tuning in, and checking it out. Keeping up, keeping track. All right. Talk to y'all later. Peace and blessings. Progress. That's what I'm talking about. Progress, progress, progress. Yeah. Hey. Okay, you guys. I think I'm finna go back in there in my room and go back to sleep. This is Sunday morning, the 18th of May, 2025. So talk to you guys later. Africa to the world. Straight up. Hey.